I can fly.
I don't even know.
Oh yeah. Change to Commander Pro, yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Jump up and knife a helicopter. Will that take it down? Girls just wanna have fun. Did he untoggle it? He's flying! Oh, yeah, I was eating. Okay.
So, what are you doing?
Fly. Fly? Can you fly? What? Are you flying?
No, he's not flying.
He's just walking slowly.
What's happening? Sniper?
Number one.
Number one.
Jump.
Whee!
That's recent challenge Limon offered to.